Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Binance. So if you want to receive USDT into your Binance, what you can do is you need to firstly open your Binance app, and next is you need to go to the assets in the bottom right. So from here you need to find USDT. So simply select this view more coins in the bottom and select deposit asset. So over here in the top there's this search bar, type down USDT and select this USDT here. So from here, list of cryptocurrency here, you need to select this ETH. And Binance will now generate a USDT ERC20 wallet along with a QR. Here you'll find a QR code if you have verified your profile. And after that, you can simply copy your wallet address to your clipboard or let the sender scan the QR code directly. And that is it. That is how you can find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Binance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.